A liquidated damages clause is a contractual provision that establishes a preset amount for damages in the event of a breach. Utah's highest court considered how the enforceability of liquidated damages clauses should be evaluated in Commercial Real Estate Investment versus Comcast of Utah. Commercial Real Estate Investment, or CRE, built a large commercial building and leased it to TCI Cablevision of Utah. The long-term lease was drafted by TCI and required TCI to continuously operate its business from the building. The lease also had a liquidated damages clause, which provided that TCI would pay double the rent for each day of the breach. TCI operated its business from the building for 6 years and then vacated the premises. A year after that, Comcast of Utah acquired TCI and assumed its obligations under the lease. The building stood vacant for 5 years before a new tenant finally leased it. Although TCI and then Comcast paid the rent for those 5 years, they refused to pay double the rent. CRE sued Comcast for breach of contract and attorney's fees. Both parties moved for partial summary judgment as to the enforceability of the liquidated damages clause. Finding that the clause was enforceable, the state trial court granted partial summary judgment in CRE's favor and awarded $1.7 million in liquidated damages, plus interest. Comcast appealed to the Utah Supreme Court, challenging the enforceability of the liquidated damages clause.